Next, I want to take a really close look at some of the internal components. Basically dissect this shock, and you can see why they're so special. First, we've got the shock body itself. I have its twin tube body here to compare. The BILSTEIN shock body is actually a warm-formed one-piece tube. There's no seal in it. It's drawn out and then actually formed at the end. The internal tolerances are that of an engine cylinder. And what makes that so special and compared to your twin tube hydraulic shock is that this is a rolled steel tube. You can actually feel the groove in there. Shock valving is very precise, and you can't really have any grooves or any imperfections in the tube. So you can see by this that the BILSTEIN is obviously a much higher quality piece than its hydraulic twin tube shock brother. This is a BILSTEIN piston rod. This piece is actually hard chromed and polished. This is not a mild steel piston rod that's been chrome plated. Basically, the resistance to weather is going to be huge, and it's also, because it's so hard, it's going to be resistant to chipping, things that are going to take your seals out. Now, BILSTEIN goes the extra step. Each specific application of a BILSTEIN is going to have the right hardware built into the shock. So if you've got a shock absorber that takes a crossbar, that's going to be in the shock. If you've got a shock absorber that takes a certain size sleeve, that's going to be part of the shock when you get it. Now, the BILSTEIN sleeve arrangements are all vulcanized cast pieces. As you can see right here, here's a crossbar, and the rubber is actually vulcanized to the crossbar. And what this is going to do is going to eliminate the crossbar from moving back and forth, which is a major issue. Same thing with a sleeve arrangement. The sleeves on a BILSTEIN shock are going to have a steel sleeve, which is vulcanized, and the whole piece will be then pressed in, and then it can't move back and forth and have premature wear. BILSTEIN dividing pistons, very simple. It's basically an O-ring, a Viton O-ring inside of its casing, and it just slides back and forth. Not something that's really going to wear out very fast.